Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today, I'm going to do what I would consider an old classic for me, and I'm going to do 20 mini flip cups, alright? And you guys know I love flip cups, and you know I love doing multiple versions of flip cups, and 20 of them is just perfect for this canvas. This is 16 by 20. No, this is not 16 by 20. This is a 16 by 12. Sorry, guys. All right, I do want to go through these colors really quickly, because, again, we're using the red color palette. You guys know I love that. Let's clean some of this up. Oh, boy. Now, I'm going to tell you a secret right now. It is extremely late. Let me see if I can even bring it up on the watch. Let's see. I don't know if it's going to count. Can you see that? It is 3:38 in the morning, and I'm painting, but I'm very excited to be doing this, so that's why I'm doing it. All right. Like I said, we're going to go through these colors really quickly. And then we're going to start to layer those cups, because 20 cups, you know, that takes a long time for me. But of course, I speed it up so it doesn't take as much for you. All right, here we go, guys. Let's start right over here. And this is fluorescent yellow. All right. Then we have a cadmium yellow, medium hue. All right. This is cadmium orange. Then we have alizarin crimson. All right. Then we have a quinacridone magenta. This is a fluorescent pink. Then, of course, we have some oxide black from Amsterdam. And we are also using the titanium white, also from Amsterdam. So that's it for our paint colors today. Let's get into layering these cups. So you know what I say now. We're going to listen to some nice music. We're going to layer all 20 of those cups. And guys, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, guys. Wow. Listen, you guys see me layer enough cups to know that I do not layer cups as dirty as this because I like to layer them more like straight pours. But wow, I decided to go with some crazy, very dirty mini flip cups here, and I'm kind of very excited. So excited. I want to go right back into this, guys. Let's get back into some nice music, and let's flip all 20 of these little mini flip cups. All right, guys. Are you ready for this? All right, here we go. Again, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. Let's come down with this baby right here. Whoo! I love red. I love red color palettes so much. And this is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Whew. Now, really, guys, my tilting style and a lot of my painting style is not for the faint of heart. I'll tell you that much. I use a lot of extra paint. But again, you guys know why I use a lot of extra paint. So I can accomplish these difficult tilts and get some great patterns out of it. You never want to be left with a little bit of paint and overstretch. I actually just had that in a video that I actually didn't release because I did that. And I didn't like it at all. I really overstretched it. It was not fun. Wow, this is beautiful. All right. Let's torch up here. Actually, now, let me show you some. I love the mini flip cups for many reasons. But one of the reasons is when you pop those off, man, it's like little mini surprises. You get little, I just love seeing these little mini flip cups. They're just so great. I love it. And adding the titanium white in there really gives us these really great effects in there. The only thing you ever worry about is using that oxide black against that fluorescent yellow, because you can create some of these green situations in here, but it's kind of nice. It didn't over blend too much, so that's fine. All right, let's torch. Wow, wow, this one is very bright. Wow, I love it. And I hope you guys also like doing multiple flip cups. Multiple flip cups are so much better than just the single. If you're gonna do the single flip cup, I definitely would say do the flip, smash, and tilt. If you're gonna do a single, you'll get such great patterns out of it. But using multiple flip cups is just better. Remember, flip cups are my favorite, so I've been doing them the most. I think if you probably look at most of my pours, flip cups, probably majority especially early on. But oh man, this is gorgeous. All right, here we go. Whew. Wow. All right. Let's get us into these close-ups because I really want you guys to see this. It's very beautiful. I want you guys to do this at home. I want you guys to use that color palette. That color palette's great. We'll remember to throw that in Pick My Pour when that comes back soon. All right, guys. Again, huge thank you. Huge thank you for you guys watching out there and hopefully learning something and taking away from this and doing this and making it your own and having a lot of fun with fluid art and art in general because art is fun. If you're not having fun while doing it, then you're working. And sometimes when you're working, it's not as much fun. I know that firsthand. Yeah, art is a lot of fun. Doing these paintings is a lot of fun. So please be doing these, and please enjoy your time doing them. With that being said, guys, we're going to go into those close-ups. And then I will see you in the next video. Bye.